Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Embedded World. So today we are seeing how to install 3D Master and how to work on the tool. So yeah, um, let me take you where we can find this tool actually. So this it's a freeware tool which is available in GitHub. So this is the link. I will mention this link in the description section. So you can directly get this freeware source code. You can see the source code here from the GitHub. You can directly clone it from here, or you can get the zip file of it to your local PC. I recommend you take the zip file so that you can access the source code, and you can also edit the source code according to your needs. So I actually downloaded the zip file into my local PC. So this is how it looked like. And if you go inside that folder, you can find a README file. So this is a simple. There are a few simple steps which needs to be followed. 7 simple steps are there for installation. It is mentioned like clone the repository, as I said, like you can clone the repository, or you can directly install, or you can directly get the zip file from the GitHub website. Then you need to install this, install nmp for Linux. This is the command, and Windows you can just go to this web link. The file will get installed, or the file will get downloaded. Then you have to click on this file to install on your local PC. Then you also need this PHP Storm, PHP editor, to build the 3D Master. And this is an optional software. I guess it's not required as of now. And few things has to be, few settings has to be done. Like open the folder PHP Storm. We should open this software in the PHP Storm application. Um, then yeah, we need to open this file index.html in Chrome browser. It's a cloud-based, web-based tool. It is. So yeah, we'll go and see the tool right now. So I have followed all the procedure as I said before. So this is the PHP Chrome, PHP Storm application. So here you can see I have loaded the 3D master. So you should open index.html file. So this is like a main page. So you can see here the web browser options. So you can just click on this Chrome. So you will get to see this application loading. It will take some time because it's all the 3D data that we are working. So it takes time to load. Meanwhile, I also like to put light on the other things which are mentioned in this README file. Yeah, you have few demo videos. It's not in detail, but you can refer this video if you want. So this is the link in YouTube. And if you are new to 3D bounding box labeling, there is some instruction given here. Total 11 instructions are there, wherein you can go through it, and you can learn how to do labeling for 3D data, for Lidar data obviously. And there are a few keyboard shortcuts. Well, most of them I explored. You can go one by one and you can explore the shortcut keys, how it works and what are its behaviors. Most all the shortcut keys are working. So this tool is basically meant for professionals, students, a few tech enthusiasts. So not for any commercial use. I guess for commercial use there should be a license that needs to be obtained. Yeah, you can see the things here written. Okay, we'll get back to the tool. So this is how the tool looks like. So here you can see the six camera images, like one here, one here 3, 4, 5, 6 camera images are there, and this is our main 3D data annotation window. So these are the labels which you can see: 19, 1, 18, 17, 16, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. So here are the labels. So if you want to mark vehicle, truck, motorcycle, bicycle, pedestrian, all these three uh, data objects can be marked. And here it's a attribute window where you can change the attribute. If you want to change the attribute size, width of this vehicle 5, then you can click here. You can change the position here, like uh, this x-axis, y-axis. You can change it. You can rotate. Okay, something is happening here. Okay, you can see this is the label 5, vehicle 5. So if you increase the x-axis, you can see the label is moving here and there. This is basically works on x-axis, and this is for y-axis, and this is for and you can also see the changes in the corresponding actual image of the video. Okay, let me get it to its default. So here is the actual label which is present on the camera image. So this is the lidar image. There are also few settings that can be done. Okay, that we can see later on. So here you can see there are totally 120 frames in this particular data set. So this arrow mark here will get you to next frame. Yeah. So the frame number is 3 now. This as it is working on a 3D data, so it requires a better configuration. Okay. Um, this will take you to the previous frame. Yeah. So here are the data set that you can choose from. Now it is by default it is new scenes data set that the tool is using. Either you can use it as a web instance and with local data, or else you can directly have a tie-up with this new scenes organization to get the data online and start annotating. So there are a few other settings that we can change. So if I click on field of view, this will give the field of view of one particular a lidar, and there are other features like show grid. So this will show the grid or apply the grid across the 3D image, and filter ground. So filter ground will clear all the lidar points or lidar image clears the lidar points basically. You can see the changes in the image. So this, if I click on hide other annotation, this will hide all the annotations. Okay, this will hide all the annotations on the actual image, and you can see the camera images perfectly. And if I click on switch view, so this will unlock the screen, and we can just rotate the screen for a better view of the images, so that we can mark the labels properly. So this is nothing. So as I said, like we can rotate the screen for better view. So yeah, if you want to customize this data set, one is like you can get the data set from usage or organization where you can choose it from here. The other thing is like a web instance with local data. So for that you need to find the root folder. So I will show you how to get into root folder. So this is the root folder wherein you can find all the six camera images like back camera. So six camera images are there here. Either you can replace the images with the existing one and you can start annotating, or else you can get the data from usage. So just replace this images. There are totally 120 frames. By replacing you can get it. And there are a few videos. Okay, these are the same videos, the six camera videos. It's been converted into frames there. So parallelly, when you are replacing the images, you need to also replace this video files so that you can get the data sets there in the tool and you can start annotating. So we'll get back to the default view. So the other features which are present in this, like we can choose a different uh, objects, like if you're marking vehicles other than vehicles like truck, motorcycles, bicycle and pedestrian. So just select on bicycle, just click here and drag the mouse. The label will be created. So here you can see the XYZ coordinates here. So similarly, you can change the properties or you can change the size of this label. So you can see bicycle one, and simply by moving the cursor, we can change the orientation. If you want to delete any label, just click on the label and left click. Right click will help it. That label is deleted. So if you want to customize the data set, then you need to change few things like you need to change some names in the source code. So for that you need to get into this file, base label tool. So here you can see the channel, cam, front left. So these names has to be changed. If you're changing the name in the local copy, and the root folder name also you need to change using here. And you should change an image label tool as well. So here you can change the names: camera front left, camera front right, camera front, camera back right. These names has to be changed. You can see here. So this is the PCD loader file. So coming back to this video. So scrolling down the mouse, we'll zoom in and zoom out. So this is how we can work on this 3D data. To annotate the 3D lidar data. So that's it for now. So we'll meet you in the next video. Happy learning. Thank you.